Magandang hapon po ng December 13, 2025 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng December 13, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, December 13, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for December 13, 2025 Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for Saturday, December 13, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for December 13, 2025 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.